Now, before I get into the review, I gotta address the cat that was on my last Crafted London review. Hey everyone, it's your girl AJ coming back to you guys again with another video. So in this video, I have a Crafted London review. I picked up a few items that I'm going to show you guys. But before I get into the video, you guys already know what to do. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? Let's get into the video. Now, before I get into the review, I gotta address the cat that was on my last Crafted London review video. Alright? This is kind of like an update because the jewelry that I got on right now is Crafted London. Somebody commented on my last video and said the jewelry tarnished on them.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm gonna come closer. I'm gonna come closer. Does this look tarnished to you? And this is the bracelet that I had in my old Crafted London video. I don't really see, you know, any green. And I had this for months. I'm just saying. I just had it for months. Now, I can even show you my other pieces, but I'm just saying, it still look brand new to me. It still look brand new to me. I'm just saying, like, where's the cat? You trolling? I see you trolling. Alright, you trolling. But aside from all that, let me get into the review, guys. Let me get into the review. Alright, so I opened up the envelope that it came in, but the package, but I didn't take it out yet, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is. It's actually 2 bracelets, and for those of you guys who never shop from Crafted London, this is how it comes. This is the package that it comes in, and then you're gonna have your jewelry piece in this. So this is the first item here. It's a bracelet. I only picked up 2 bracelets, y'all. I have some other items that I do want to pick up from them, but haven't gotten to that as yet. Alright, so let me take off the old bracelet. Let me know if y'all see that, if that's tarnished or anything. But it don't look tarnished to me. I'm just saying. Alright, and this right here is the new bracelet. It's like chained. Right, so let's put this on here. Yeah, technical difficulties here.
1 eternity later.
There we go. Alright. Bringing it closer for you guys. This is how it looks. I really like the piece. And again, I'm not expecting this to like change in terms of the color, it tarnishing or anything. I had this chain for months. Hasn't turned my skin green or anything. So far, the quality with this company is pretty good. And it's affordable. Alright. So let's get into the other piece. It's a beaded piece. I think this is the tiger eye. Put it in closer for you guys here. Hopefully you guys saw that well. If not, I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see the pieces properly. Right. This is a quick review because I only picked up like 2 items from it, which is the bracelets. So this is how it looks, guys. So if you guys want to cop this, don't worry, I'm not sponsored. But hey, if Crafted London, if you watching, I'm just saying, you could hook a sister up. I'm just saying. Same. So, but yeah, guys, this is the review. Wanted to show you the 2 new pieces, and again, I like it. The jewelry is affordable, good quality, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box if you guys want to take a look at it. But yeah, this was just a quick review of the 2 items that I picked up for Crafted London. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But before I go, you know what I'm gonna say. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright? Peace.